Alright boys, girls, welcome to the Southern Maryland Skateboard Association Rainy Day Game of Skate.
Yes sir.
Featuring your boy Kevin Elliott. You. In the fucking volunteer shirt. And Richard. It looks like he's a 90s star like Judd Nelson.
It looks like I just woke up like 20 minutes ago.
You always look like that.
Kind of did.
Word. Alright, let's get it started, boys. Let's Rochambeau it.
Alright.
Oh.
Ooh, got him.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So when I get you on it again, just minus the ankle rolling.
Oh no. That was...
Ah, nope. Going rebate?
Rebate on it.
Alright. My feet were all up on the ground, my toes were.
And his heel touches. That's good.
Oh, I should have had the video clip of ending. Crap. Blowing the whistle.
Damn.
You good?
Yes.
Hope you guys?
Scaring the cameraman.
I ain't stopped filming yet.
Nice.
No, it's not.
Ooh, I didn't think I was going to get all the way around.
Yeah.
That one looked a lot nicer than mine, too.
Damn, dude. Got the green shirt and doesn't want to fall into it.
There it is. Yeah, the problem is now I'm running out of, like, first try tricks.
Consistent. You're good. I'm surprised I landed that.
I'll figure it out on the way up here.
Can't give him much for it.
I know, that way you can't do it.
I
Alright, I'm gonna start going with the big boy tricks. Oh no! That one felt good too, but my body weight was way too off the board. Oh man, this is where my downfall starts. I fucking hate this. Defense. Alright. Ooh. Did I hit your shin?
No.
This man's missed a backside heel flip. Richard missed a backside heel flip.
On film too. That's crazy.
I know.
I'm not gonna ever have that let down.
Alright, I'm over that trick.
Oh, Richard's setting the pace now. There we go. That's the Richard I know.
Now, what you're about to see here is going to be some YouTube comedy. Oh, shit.
Damn.
Dude, my bad.
Took out the bottle.
Alright, we got some hazards on the plane field.
See if I can hold on to this one. Oh, come on. That one fell there too.
The big K. K for Kevin.
Hopefully we keep it there. I don't think I've ever even tried that. That was knowledge.
I'll say.
Oh, thank God. I wasn't paying attention. Alright, this maybe has a chance. Oh! Dude, that is literally the first time I've landed that 10 plus years.
Shit.
Hell
Oh,
yeah.
dude, that was sick. Yeah.
Is that because of losing a balance, or is that because the ramp was right there?
It was balanced.
Okay.
A little bit too far ahead of it. I'll repeat that. Just get
Fair
off.
enough. The front board.
Are we counting it or are we the rebate?
No, I think that's good.
Alright, we'll roll with it. It was there.
Hey. I hurt myself every time I try this trick. Alright, let's see. You don't even have a letter, do you?
Oh man, no, I have. Do you have a letter?
I don't think so. I
guess
don't think you missed anything
We'll
yet.
find out when we edit the footage.
Fuck, man, I'm about to get skunked on camera. This is worse than you not letting back heel.
Yeah.
Better make it a good one. Now for some cheater tricks to catch up.
This man's about to do a pressure flip on me.
No, not that either. It's just. That's supposed to be my baby.
Oh no.
Baby done did it wrong.
Oh no.
I think that's probably game right there. There it is.
Bigger flip?
Yeah. Oh, come on! Jeez, man, you're killing me. Killing me, Small.
Fucking Hail Mary.
That's Kevin's trick.
That's my baby.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, come on! Jeez. Just no chances, man.
That's why I was trying to tell Richard he should have entered that master skate contest up in Annapolis, dude.
Dude, what about
Close, man.
Trey flipped a crook.
Yes. Ooh, alright, I'm gonna go for the Hail Mary from yesterday. Nope, that's not game. That's not skate worthy yet.
That was not what I was trying.
Right, you know Richard is serious when he's like, nah, I'm not gonna take that switch Trey. It wasn't what I was trying. That was a good rocket flip. I like that.
Oh yeah, mine was too.
I mean, you matched his, so it's
Yeah.
perfect.
Alright, I'm done with that.
Yeah, I'm moving on.
It's the wheelbase, bro. I'm telling you.
Ah, dude, that trick's over there just for me.
That's pretty big.
Yeah, give that a
That's-
rebate. Man, that's game over. Gone. Oh. I don't even know where to begin on that.
That is a switch impossible, mind you.
I don't even know where to start on that.
Well, like a switch tray. That's very close. Very, very close.
That was close.
So you know where to start.
Yeah, there's no chance.
Richard
Fucking
is
sucked.
victorious. Victorious.
Get it.